This is a video tutorial on how to use PCGen, character creation program. So after you've installed the program, I'd recommend restarting your PC and trying to start it up. It has quite the rep for not starting up from the shortcut on your desktop or from the start menu. But after you restart your PC, try using it from the start menu, I'd recommend. And fire it up. Mine seems to work from it. But if you're having problems with it, I would recommend going to the start menu, explore all users. Whenever it comes up, you're going to want to look over here on the side and open up your C disk. It's generally under C disk anyways. It's your main hard drive. Then you want to go to program files, which is right here. And then you're going to scroll down until you get to PCGen right here. Open that up and open up the one inside that. And then there is this Java app right here, which should work if the shortcut and start menu don't work. Alright. So once you start it up, you should get something that looks not quite like this. It'll look probably more like this here. First thing you want to do is you want to go to where it says available and has a little drag down bar. You want to go name only. Then you want to go down to where it says 3.0 SRD campaign set core books 1, 2, and 3. You want to move that over to the side. Move that over. And then you want to click the load button. It's loading %. Then you get some box in the middle that'll pop up. I'm not going to because I've already disabled it. That's just saying a bunch of legal crap, saying that they have copyright law, like they have copyright to do this, whatnot. I don't really care. Once that's done, you want to go over to right by where it says file. This little tiny page with a snowflake or asterisk on it. You want to click that, and it will allow you to make a new character. A window will pop up here. Anytime now. There we go. Okay, this is the creator. It's pretty simple. Currently we're on the summary tab where you can put in your character's name, you select your alignment, your race. They have a whole bunch. I'll be a donkey. Okay, to level up. And I will be a bard. Yeah. And it reminds me of Shrek. Okay. You can also edit your stats by hitting the plus minus button after rolling them. You can also see a breakdown of your hit points. And then you can go to race. You can reselect your race. And a class. So, yeah, sure, whatever. And I'll wear cold weather outfit. Okay, and then skills. Here on the left are skills that all the skills pretty much, and you can add them over the side if you want. Whatever cost that's supposed to be, and you can add stats onto them, or you can go to the ones that your character already comes with, and you can bring them by clicking on the plus or minus button. Once you're done with your skills, you can then go to feats, where you can select your feats. Because I'm a donkey, I don't think I get any. But you can take whatever you want that you're allowed to. The reds are the ones you can't because you don't have the prerequisite for. Once you got your feats, you go to class abilities, and then you take your class abilities. Here I have the rogue special abilities, but over here on the side you can change it to any of these. Okay, once that's done, you can then go to the tabs. Next important one will be spells, and then you get to pick whatever spells you get. Okay, whatever. And then you can go into your prepared spells in your spell book. And then you can go into your inventory. If you want to I'd recommend clicking Allow Debt, so that way, however much gold that you can go into the negative of however much that you're supposed to start off with. I would recommend putting your buy to 100%, your sell to 100%, so that you can change back and forth. If you decide to change your mind, you don't lose any gold. And then you can just go through all this and buy whatever you want. I recommend type/subtype/name for your available thing. And then if you want to buy something like armor, for example, I'm just going to go light. And I'm going to pick chain shirt. I have just bought one. As you can see, now 100 gold in the negative because versus cost is 100. I just bought one. Then you can go to the equip tab, and what you want to do is you want to select default set, and then you want to select, for example, the chain shirt, and I'm going to move that over, and I now have it equipped. And I'm just going to add my clothing, and then inscription. As you can see, I can fill in all this information. If I wanted to be lazy, I could just go check all and then hit the random button, and it picked everything for me. Then I can go to check out what my character sheet looks like, and I can select different pages on the side here. And then I can select sheet, and it will give me another page where I can list back for to make it big, smaller. I can change what it is set up like here, a different type of character sheet. As you can see, once I'm done all of that, back here in the summary tab, after all this is all taken care of, I can go language and all that crap. I can select my languages. I don't get any. And then I can also add special abilities and stuff if I'm supposed to have them, or weapon proficiencies. I can see a breakdown of my hit points here, what was rolled. And I can add or subtract them, or I can re-roll them. Seems that it always wants to start off by giving you an 8 on that, or whatever your max is. Okay, whatever. So, yeah, I can also add levels. And whenever I'm done, I can go File, Save As. And then when it comes up with the Save As file, I can save it as a PCG. And that will allow me, once I fire up this program and loaded up the book that it was in, I can then load up my character sheet, which will bring all these tabs and everything all will be filled back in for me. I can edit it again and save it. Or I can go export standard PDF or text. I'd recommend text, and this one here, and it will basically save it into a text file like Notepad, and it will put it into like a little format for it, and then you can take that and copy it, post it on like a form or something like that. And down here, of course, it has like things like AC, my initiative, hit points, all that crap. And then right here says things to do, or things to be done. It has all this stuff I have to do. And that's basically a quick overview of this program.